Hello, Colgate family. It's Dr. Sunny again. Hope you guys had an amazing summer. Colgate is on a mission for a zero cavity future and has designed a back to school kit that's going to assist us in that goal. Let's see what's in the box and how we can incorporate it into our practice. Probably the thing I love most about this back to school kit is this tooth oral care book. It gives us a way to really communicate with our pediatric patients and their parents. It gives us visual aids about talking about their cavity risk assessment. It talks about when teeth come in and when they're lost. It gives them the different stages of tooth decay and gives them pictures where they can really visually see and appreciate those things. But probably the best thing that it does, it educates patients on good oral hygiene habits. The second thing they provided is a take-home oral brochure to help educate our patients on what they can do daily to improve their oral hygiene, and a way for us to be able to put down what their cavity risk is and ways to improve it. The third thing that they provided is a take-home brushing calendar and brushing guide. And you get this fun roll of stickers that you can use as a prize at the end of your visit. And as any pediatric dentist will tell you, a sticker will always bring a smile to any child's face. No kit would be complete without an award, and this is a personalized certificate to honor those kids for their commitment to a zero cavity future. I know this kit is really going to help launch our kids back to school with great oral hygiene habits and really help to assist on achieving that goal of a zero cavity future.